Hi, I'm Kavita, music facilitator in Canary, the school. I'm talking about socio-emotional learning through activities like music, dance, art, and drama. If you take music, listening to music will change the mood swings of any person and the stress relief also. And if you take art, asking them to do a mandala art or else asking them to create a portrait of their own or asking them to draw where they want to go or what they want to become and empathizing with a character on the stage and put them in a situation and asking them to take the decision through drama and connected with the dance floor so that they will develop the self-confidence through dance. So these type of activities will develop empathy, kindness, collaboration, identifying their emotions themselves and others, managing emotions, having growth mindset, everything they will develop. These activities are essential. Activities are not optional. These all are essential for every kid. So let's make arts education a reality of every kid. Thank you.